The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tarrant County in north-central Texas until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Aledo, or near Benbrook, moving east at 45 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Fort Worth, White Settlement, Benbrook, Edge Cliff, and Forest Hill. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Include Kennedale, Benbrook, Edge Cliff Village, Lake Arlington, River Oaks, Fort Worth, Edge Cliff, West Worth Village, White Settlement, Forest Hill, Benbrook Lake, Everman, Crowley, Westover Hills, Rendon, Burleson, Halton City, Arlington, and Mansfield. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 38 and 53. Interstate 20 between mile markers 423 and 445. Interstate 30 between mile markers 2 and 23. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. This is an extremely dangerous situation with tornado-like wind speeds expected. Mobile homes and high-profile vehicles are especially susceptible to winds of this magnitude and may be overturned. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant property damage.